Lie on your right side, please. Palms together in front of the chest. Legs pulled together. Now move left leg in front of the right on the floor and slide it further away from you. Bring it back then. Pay attention. What happens to your pelvis, spine, left arm? Next time, left leg goes in front, stay there. Now with left leg in front, move right leg backward so that the legs open wide. Now stop. Right leg back and move left arm front and back. Now place the palm of the left hand on the forehead and roll the head left and right. Rest for now in that position. Now do all the movements at once. That means move left leg in front, right leg backward, left arm backward, and head to the ceiling. Pay attention to your pelvis, spine, and left arm. Leave it alone and rest on your back. Now do the same thing on the other side. So, lie on your left side. Move right leg in front of the left on the floor and slide it further away from you. And then bring it back. What happens to your pelvis, spine, right arm? Next time, when right leg go in front, stay there. And move left leg backward so that the legs open wide. And then stop left leg in back and move right arm front and back. Pay attention what happens to your head, spine. Now place the palm of the right hand on the forehead and roll the head left and right. And rest for now in that position. Now do all the movements at once. That means move right leg in front, left leg backward, right arm backward and head to the ceiling. Pay attention to your pelvis, spine, and left arm. And of course head. Open the legs wide. Now leave it alone and rest on your back. This ends the lesson. Thank you for watching.